hope everybody had a good long weekend. So I'm going to be showing you what you're doing for Tuesday, October 13th if you're in the virtual pod. So here's our module for week 5. So we have a Nearpod lesson, and then we have page 3 in our class notebook. So I'm going to hit next to go right to that Nearpod lesson. So this is just kind of instead of Desmos for the day, because there's just a couple of different things that we can do in Nearpod versus what we can do in Desmos. If you are doing this live with your class, you need to click join.nearpod.com and then use the code you get in class. If you are absent from class, you can do it right here and log in at your own pace. We want everybody to do it live during Teams, but if for some reason you can't, you can do it here. If you went to the Teams meeting, you do not need to do the Nearpod lesson that's embedded here because you're going to do it live with us. We're going to make sure we hit login with Office 365 because that's what we use in the school. And because I already logged in through Clever, it's saying, hey, is this you? And it is. It's hooked up with my Syracuse account. I can hit yes, continue. So then we just have a little lesson here. You're going to watch this whole video. And then we have 2 collaboration boards. They're pretty much like a Padlet if you've used a Padlet before. So it says, after watching the video, how would you describe the rules of adding numbers with the same sign? So you're going to share your thoughts here. And then you can have the same one with numbers with different signs. So this is when one number is positive, one number is negative. Here we have matching. So you're going to match the term with the example. You have a little practice independently. So there's a drawing tool and you can change the color, start at 0, do whatever you need to do. There is a highlighter tool. There is a text tool. You can make it bigger if you want it bigger, smaller if you want your text smaller, change the color. And then there's a 4-question quiz, which it won't let me get through all the questions without answering, so I'm not going to do that right now. When you are done with everything in this Nearpod lesson, you need to go to Class Notebook, Unit 2, page 3. So in Class Notebook, I already have it open, Unit 2, page 3. So you have like a DIN, like if we were in class in person, here's like the DIN we were going to do. Here are your notes. So now you're going to fill in these notes from what you learned from the Nearpod lesson. They're pretty easy. If you need help, ask a teacher. Then you have some practice here. There's a number line if you need it, and your exit ticket and self-reflection. So when you get through this whole thing, you're going to check off I can or I need help. And this is just our objective for the day. And that is all you need to do for today, Tuesday, October 13th. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.